Hey!
Hi, Malcolm. Who are you talking to? Cool! You're on a walkie-talkie. Is that Max? You two are prepping the fireworks with Mo, but where is he? Wow! The New Year's Eve clock is all ready for tonight's countdown. Only 20 minutes and 8 seconds to go before the new year. Oh, here he is.
Yeah. Ha-ha.
Oh no! Better call Maverick to see if he can help fix it. Maverick, we have an emergency on the mountain. There's only 18 minutes left until the new year, and a firework has fallen. That must be Malcolm calling to tell you about it. Mo has been distracted, and the firework he had set up fell. This is an emergency. Can you help?
Hey.
Great! Let's go!
Ahead.
Maverick and M&M are here to help, Mo. There's probably less than 10 minutes until midnight. Here, guys! Maverick found the firework! Okay, let's take a look at this tree. Don't worry, Mo. Milo and Mitch can use their hook to reach it. Right, guys? Careful, guys. Don't get too close. It's Malcolm on the walkie-talkie. There's only 20 more seconds before midnight. You can do this, guys. Gotcha. Strike it up. Here it is. Put it into the ground, Mo. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Thanks for your help, Maverick, Milo, and Mitch. See you next time, everybody. Looks like Mike is sure enjoying his vacation.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, looks like a storm is coming. Hey, you'd better take cover, Mike. Oh dear, he can't hear us.
¿Cómo ka?
Maverick, there's an emergency on the island. Can you help? Mike can't hear our warnings about the storm, Maverick. It's headed right for us. We need to get Mike to leave the island soon.
Malao, minama.
There's Mia. Maybe she can help.
Parabou! Mama, pata!
Huh?
Mike's in danger. Can you help us get a message to him?
Oh, mi amor.
Great!
Ah.
Let's go!
Hey!
Oh, bother. He can't hear us over his music.
Hey!
Mia, can you write something in the sky to get his attention? Wow, nice work! Ugh, his eyes are closed. He doesn't see it. Now what? What are you two up to?
Mama!
That ought to get his attention. Mike, there's a huge storm coming. We've gotta go. Hurry!
Mama!
It's so dark in here. I can't see anything. Smart, Maverick. You brought a lantern. Oh no! We're trapped! Now what? Ah, good thinking. Push! Great teamwork, guys!
Hey.
Hooray! The storm is over! Well, we've sure got some cleaning up to do. But I think we're up for it. Together. See you next time, friends. Hey, Max. Practicing the long jump? You've been watching the Olympics? That's a great idea, Maverick! A Monster Town Olympics! You're going to set one up? Sounds like a fun day!
Yay!
What are you doing, Maverick? Oh, you're looking for Mia so she can help!
Whoa!
You found her? Hey, Mia! Maverick wants to set up an Olympics! Can you help? Awesome! Thanks, Mia! Okay, so there are 3 events, and Mo is going to be the judge. That okay, Mo? What's first? A sprint? All right. Are you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Maverick, you were the clear winner, right, Mo? What's next, Mo? The high jump? All right. Mia won that, right, Mo? Are you ready for the long jump? You have to jump where the track stops, okay? Three, two, one, go! What? Max won the long jump? Good work, guys! How did you do that, Max? I guess practice does make perfect. You didn't win the long jump? Maverick, you can't win everything. And you had fun, didn't you? You're a good sport, Maverick. Besides, these weren't the only competitions. We'll do some more another time, right, guys? All right. See you next time, guys.
Well, well. Looks like a heavy race is happening around here. Wow, Marty. You're such a show-off. Don't be overconfident, Marty. The race is not over yet. Oh my! Marty, look out! You have a hole underneath your hull, Marty. Hold on. Marty, where is Mo? There's no trace of him anywhere. Can you see him?
Oh, right now.
Thank goodness. There he is. Hold on, guys. Maverick can help you out.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hey, Maverick. Marty and Mo need your help. Can you go by the lake now? See what's happening, Maverick? You need to get there fast. Hi, girls. What are you doing?
Hey.
Oh, you're playing mouse and cat? Looks fun. Mia, here comes Maverick. There's an emergency.
Oh. Oh. Huh?
Marty and Mo are in danger and need you. They're at the beach. Can you come?
Oh. Huh. Uh-huh.
Look, Mia, there they are. Hurry. Hold on, Mo. Mia is going back for you. Way to go, guys. You're almost there. Are you enjoying your ride, Mo? Great teamwork, you guys. Marty, looks like Maverick has been taking care of your hole. You look good. So what would you think of starting a race again? Mo says he's had his lot of action for today. But you guys go ahead. How about a race between Mia and Marty? Air against water? What do you think, guys? Okay, Maverick, you can do the counting.
Mà là nghe đó. Là gặp.
Ready? Steady? Go! Good luck to you, monsters, and be careful this time. See you soon. Hey guys, follow us in our big adventures by clicking more videos. Download our app to play with your favorite friends. Thanks for riding with us. Hope you liked our video. Click here to subscribe and join the Car City family. See you on the road.